How's it, guys? How's it, guys? Like the live, please. Please, guys, like the live. Salams, let's cook. Just doing some quick analysis quickly, guys. I just want to see something. US30, if you guys want to risk it, there's a quick buy. Remember, you can blow your account with this trade. So use proper risk management. So you can buy right now if you want. Up to the So yeah, buy US30. Remember, you're gonna be risking your account. This is basically like trading news. So buy US30 now, but it's like trading news, like I said. It's like trading news, guys. There's no stop loss. It's just your account is your stop loss. So unless you obviously you do put a stop loss, but like I said, so yeah, so you're gonna enter. Here's your entry. Yeah, wait. Let's try and get an entry. Yeah, that's fine. Stop loss, you can go there. I don't know. There's no stop loss, guys. There's no real stop loss. This is just a quick trade. You don't have to take this because I will analyze unless this trade is very big, like it's like a massive trade. I'm in profit already now. 30 seconds left, guys. 20 seconds left. We in buys on US30. Those that are just joining now. Ten seconds left. Set up my entry now. Just risk what you're willing to risk, guys. Please. This is a crazy trade. There we go. Come on. Ah, it's ass. If you want to close, you can close. It's still at entry. Let's see. Wait, let's see. I recommend if you want to close, guys, you can close though. Like I said, I will. Okay, there's it. Yo, come on. Come on, hit TP. Smash TP. You can secure, take some profit, please. It's only about 400. I'm securing this shit. I'm gonna secure this cock. Shit this. It's a bit. I don't like trading this. Okay, it's pushing up again. It's. Took me out. Took me out. Yeah, took me out break even. This is not so lekker, guys. I don't like trading like this. Some people trade like this, but it's pushing up again. If you guys are holding, that'll be your TP there. It's pushing up again. Damn. I never say NAS, no. US30. Okay, so yeah, I would recommend if you are still holding this trade, you should probably secure and take some profit. Entry should have actually been like all the way down here. It would have been nice then. I only saw it late. It would have been a good trade then. Like my entry should have been technically here if I had to actually look at this trade probably. Like yeah, and then yeah. Yeah, guys, I hope you took break even at least, or you took some profit at least, because yeah, I'm gonna look for another trade now. So US Nasdaq on the other hand, what has Nasdaq done? Nasdaq is actually inverse this. Actually, if it comes back here, I would sell. We actually low-key missed this trade, like by the way. TP all the way here. So we rejected there. Okay, I'm gonna enter a small position here on Nasdaq. I think we can go all the way down. I'm gonna enter sells on Nasdaq, guys. Selling Nasdaq. I sold Nasdaq. I'm in better profit now. I'll send another setup as well now. Sure, sure. Okay. I hope you guys close US30. I hope you guys close that US30 trade. You'll be cooked. You'll be cooked. I'll enter another position if you come back here to retest. Then I'll give the signal for VIP as well. But I enter a small position here. I'm gonna enter another one here when it comes. Let it come. Hopefully it comes back. Yeah, stop loss is there. Come on. I only entered a 0.5. Come on. Nah, it's dropping. Never mind. Come on. It's rejecting of this fair value gap. And you need to push up. You need to inverse this and then come back down. Nah. This is one of the only times where I actually want the trade to go into a bit of a loss and then I can enter another one there because I didn't open too big lot size. It's running in profit. This is one of those trades that's actually running in profit that I don't want it to run in profit. I would say this is more like a FOMO trade actually. If you kind of get me, because we did miss entry supposed to be here. Technically, this should have been an entry here or here, so yeah. Okay, it's coming back up. Come on. I'll send another setup. Don't worry, guys. If you didn't take the setup, it's calm because it was a bit. Trade was kind of gone, but we are about to hit TP. If it comes back here, you can re-enter. Though re-enter there. If it comes back down here, re-enter. Up here, sorry. Come on, push up. The days where I don't want it to actually go against me. I actually want it to go into drawdown. That's the day it doesn't go into drawdown. Okay, even if we come and retest here, I'll enter another more position here. If you do respect this. Almost there, almost there. course, I want to see it respected. There we go. Come on. Oh, of course. Oh, shoot. Never mind. Come on, reject. Never mind. Took me out. This bastard. Took me out. If it rejects, yeah, I'll enter. It's fine. I didn't open a big lot size. So it was like a very small lot size. So I'm okay. If it just rejects, I will sell. If it rejects, I will sell. Yeah. This counts only a small cross and I didn't go big. Come on, I need a candle close below. Yeah, come on. Oh shit! If it closes above, we might be cooked. I think the trade might be gone then. If it closes, closes above, I need to close here below. There we go. Okay, you can re-enter if you want. I'll wait for this candle to close first though. Okay, actually you can. Sell gold, sell Nasdaq, yeah, sell Nasdaq. No ways it just rejected from the IFEG, yeah. Good solid entry. I'll send a sell now on the group here also. There's it, I see. So I should have actually gone for a bit bigger stop loss. I'll go maybe, yeah, I think. Guys, you should be in profit now. You should be in profit. Should be in profit. Go break even, yeah, please. That's my, so that's my break even point. It's coming back for entry again. It's coming back to my entry. Okay, it's back at entry. Just playing around my entry. It's like going into profit and then going to drawdown. Oh, I might take a loss here again. Down. Okay. It's rejecting again. Right, come on, reject, drop. Wow. Okay, we're back in profit. 28938. It's 28707. Okay, this is not playing. It's playing into our entry. There we go. We're dropping our sugar. There we go. You guys should be in profit now. Nice. You can go break even now if you want, though. This will be our new break even point because this was our previous low that we created here. So you can go break even here if you want. I would say you can target all these lows here. We'll keep this TP here, and then as we go longer, we just trail our stop loss, trail our TP basically. So I don't have a set TP, but we will trail TP basically. Okay, you should be in profit, guys. Should be in profit. Well done, guys. Let's go. It's profit. Flowing in profit. Okay, so you can go break even now, guys, if you want. We need to inverse this gap here. I want to see us inverse this. Come on. We need to close below this point here. No, we can. We'll definitely we should get this. If we close below here, I'm confident that we should get this. Let's see. Everyone should be in profit, right? Everyone's in profit. Salams. Our chat is quiet today. How many of you guys are chatting quite a bit? It's coming back to retest this fair value gap. Let's see. How many pips profit are we in now currently? TB is supposed to actually be, yeah. That's fine. Oh, 500 pips, guys. Yeah, I told you guys, we should get this. We should get this. Oh no. Guys, bank some profit now. Okay, looks like we could reverse if we market rejected of this low here. Rejected of this week, yeah. Make sure it sells an entry. That's fine. Re-entry. What do you mean re-entry? I gave you guys 3 trades already. Bad entry, as in. What do you mean bad entry, bro? Like that's a decent entry. How you say that's a bad entry? Please explain how that's a bad entry. This is literally we literally caught on the wick. It's literally a decent entry, bro. I don't know what you're saying. There you go. Please explain how. No. Someone said no, not you, Nazira. Someone said this is a bad entry. Ray Gabriel's. I just want him to. I just want. I'm not calling you out or anything, but I just want to know, like, why is it a bad entry? If you can explain to me why it's a bad entry, like maybe I can learn something new. Maybe there's something that I must. Please explain to me. What is it that I could? Maybe I can improve. Because I personally I don't see anything wrong with this entry. It's pretty decent entry. It's like pretty decent. I mean, yeah, it's a decent entry. This guy's got talking cock. Guys, what you think? Was this a bad entry? Can we hit full TP? Yeah, it's a decent entry. The price obviously is a lot of spikes and stuff like that. So it is looking like a yeah, it was a good entry. It was a decent entry. Everyone should be in profit. Everyone should be in profit, and it should be almost full TP basically. But like I said, don't just close a run, close, take some profit once we actually can go take some profit here, and you can actually put a stop loss, a break even, and hold a runner. Just leave a small position. Don't close your. To never ever close your full trade. Always leave something running. If you have a 0.1 or something, keep a 0.01 because you never know, this market could something could happen, and you could bank an extra 1,000 pips or so. Like sometimes you close your position here, market could end up going all the way back here or something. So always keep a runner. Important. I always try and keep a runner, a break even, and yeah. Yeah, that's calm. As long as you guys are making profit, that's fine. As long as you guys are making profit. TP hit now, basically. We basically got this low. That was my TP there. TP basically hit now. But like I said, hold runners. We could potentially go and take out all these lows. You can see. So I'll say even we could come back into this 4-hour gap here. But that'll be your. See, I told you. So don't close your full position, guys. We could all potentially. Look how we're flushing. Look how we're flushing now, guys. Look at that. See. So yeah, we up in profits, guys. We should be all in profit. 1,000 pips profit. 1,000 pips profit. $1,000 pips profit, guys. I'm still waiting for this guy, Gabriel, to to explain why it was a bad entry. I'm still waiting, like seriously. I'm not calling, like I said, I'm not calling you out or anything, but I'm just want to know, like, maybe I missed something. Maybe you end up top ticking it or something there. But if I'm looking correctly, if I'm looking at why this was a decent entry, I'll explain now. For my strategy, I say this is a pretty good entry. Okay, so obviously we had this gap here. I'm gonna explain now why this was a good entry. So I think this was a daily, if I'm not mistaken. I think this was a daily fair value gap that I marked out. Yeah, I'll explain why I took this trade now. Okay, so you can see this is a daily fair value gap here. Right, so daily fair value gap here, which I marked out. Right, so as you can see, we rejected 29027. Where is that? Okay, not bad. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's not bad. Mine's are 29040. So it's not that off. Remember, guys, the stream is 10 seconds delayed. Remember, guys, it's 10 seconds delayed. So if I'm in a trade 10 seconds before this, you guys are. I'm in a trade 10 seconds before you, basically. So just remember that. I'm in a trade 10 seconds before you. Okay, so we are rejecting from here. So make sure you bank to a profit. We did technically hit our full TP where we wanted initially, but hold the runner break even. If it does reverse from here, that's fine. But okay, so we had this daily FEG. I'm gonna break this down quickly. Daily FEG here, rejected from it. Obviously, we had waited for this to get inverse. We missed this initial entry here. This was supposed to be our initial trade. Remember, I told you guys I entered a bit late there, and of course, was a bit of a silly entry there. This was supposed to be our first trade. There, right there. And it's supposed to actually be there. It would have reversed and would have hit stop loss either ways. But this was supposed to be our first trade. But then thankfully, we got a re-entry. So we came back to that IFEG, retested it, and then broke down, retested it again, and then our entry was taken. Yeah. So yeah, our entry was taken there. That was my entry, was somewhere here, and basically on the 50% of that IFEG. And then, of course, we hit our TP point there. And there is a chance we could obviously go and take out these lows and possibly retrace to the 50% of this 4 hour gap here. And we have this is a 4 hour fair value gap, this great thing that you see here. But yeah, guys, this was a trade. I think we'll call it a day here. I think it should probably stop us out, and then yeah, so we'll call it a day there. So just keep your stop loss at break even. If it does come easy, it's calm. But just make sure, like I said, you took profit. But yeah, that was our trade. Let's see how this thing reacts at this IFEG. See, it rejected previously from this IFEG already. I want to see now if it does reject again. I rejected again. So yeah. So let's see how this thing goes. So I will say if you guys can mark out this 4 hour gap here. 4 hour. You'll see this 4 hour gap here. These 2 4 hours. I would say like maybe we could possibly go to here. Or even who knows, we might even come and inverse this. There's a very nice entry yesterday, Friday, sorry, that we could have caught on Nasdaq there. I must have. I didn't trade that day. As yeah, that's about basically we caught like a 4 hour trade on the day. Not bad. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna enter in the live here. We managed to make profit. That's the main thing. Perfect. I think we'll end the live here, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, 3:30. Let's drop again. I'll swing in oil again. Probably, I would say I would recommend actually doing some oil again if you want to do market close. But the thing is, you gotta get in early as possible. Like get your entries early. And I use if you want to use. You can use Prime XBT if you don't. Like you can get banned on HFM for doing market close with them because they do have issues. They have banned people in the past. I know. But I know Prime XBT they don't really have any issues. If you don't have a Prime XBT account, you can sign up with us, and we will also let you know what we're gonna do for gold and other stuff as well. So in the affiliates group. So yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. What's oil currently doing? 84. Yeah, oil is actually if you want, guys. To be honest, if you actually wanna swing this thing, I reckon you can actually buy oil. Like if you want to try and find like a user film retracement tool or something, go in your 5 minute chart, get an entry from here, or 15 minute, let's say 15 minutes, and then use your FOB tool, get a retracement, and then you enter, and then you swing it. You swing the whole thing for the whole week. So you'll get an entry maybe somewhere like 82 or something. Mark out a fair value gap here or something. Wait for it to respect. There's your entry there. I guess gave you guys a signal basically. You wait for this thing to come. And you can swing this thing for the whole week. You just get your entries in early. Get your entries in early, wait for it to come here. And then there's your thing, there's your trade there. But you're not gonna close it, but don't full margin. That's the thing. You open a small account and you open a what's this? You open a small lot size. Don't open too big lot size. And just hold the thing for the rest of the week. That's just what my suggestion. If you want to do it, you can do it. That's your thing. That's what if you want to do. It's not financial advice. We are rejecting. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna end the live here, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow.